Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today we're gonna working on that power supply we fixed the other day. So we're gonna do the installation, and then we're gonna go and put it outside. We also gonna see my mining farms. You're gonna see some stuff over there, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna install everything over there. All right, guys. So I'll see you into the moment. This is gonna be a regular right there, and I'll see you after the intro. We are back, and I had to slow down one of the fans so that way we can be working on this. So we already got this back in place, and what we're gonna do is all right, so first what is first, what the heck, this cable, this connection went all the way down over there, see it? So sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. I'll be back in a second. Let me try to do this. I need both hands. All right, guys. So we connect the stuff. So we got all the connection back in place. You guys can see it. All we use again mining for power the graphic card. What eventually is on right now. You can see I got all the lines and stuff like that. And now the truth. Okay, so look like we can. All right, so we got this one on. Okay, I think I blocked this. Okay, there it is, and we should be good to go. And the next step, I will show you guys that on Hiveos it's running. This is all 570 4G cards and 580 on the bottom. So this is one, and also I got both of my server cases over there. We got one more coming in over there. I got those right there. That's a P106, and this is my whole rig of 5600 stick. Helium miner over there, and over there we got an R3 plus. What eventually it's not eating a lot of energy right now, and we're gonna remove like a big saying that stuff. So we're gonna clean out soon of this. Also guys, the new surprise is you can see I got all the ceiling stuff. We're doing expansion, so that means everything I got right here is gotta come out to our other side. What I'm gonna show you right here. So you can see we're doing extra expansion. This is gonna be regular storage only. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you into the next one.